your English voice with will. We do not use will when we have already arranged or decided to do something. We often use will with probably, I'm sure, I think, I don't think, and I wonder. Let's look at some example sentences with will. I will probably be late tonight. I'm sure you will pass your exam. I wonder what we will do this weekend. I think or I don't think you will like it. Let's look at some more examples of our own. I will probably go to the party later. I'm sure she will be here soon. I wonder what she will do when she finds out. I think I will wear the red dress tonight. Normally we use shall with I and we. I shall or we shall. We do not use shall with he, she, they, and it. The negative of shall is shall not or shan't. Let's look at some example sentences with shall. I shall be home early tonight. We shall probably go to America next year. I shall not be going to the party. We shan't be here tomorrow. Let's look at some more examples of our own. I shall be busy all day tomorrow. I think I shall have to postpone the wedding. If you leave now, I shall not phone the police. When speaking with your English voice, we usually just say I'll or will. Let's look at some examples. I'll be at the cinema later. We'll be speaking to her later today. I'll not be buying clothes at the shops. We'll not be eating at that restaurant again. Let's look at some examples of our own. Our previous example, this will become I'll probably go to the party later. I'm sure she'll be here soon. I wonder what she'll do when she finds out. I think I'll wear the red dress tonight. And shall? I'll be busy all day tomorrow.